Hey guys, it's Romani here from Crypto Nation, and I'm making another video for you guys tonight. Tonight on something a little bit different. It's a site I came across a couple of days ago that I've been doing some research on. The site or the service is called Bitpetite.com. And Bitpetite.com is basically it's an investment platform that allows you to earn money in sort of two ways. The first way is by investing money into the platform, which is then used to fund the Bitpetite Bitcoin Tumblr service. So, which I'm going to show to you right now. So here's their Bitcoin Tumblr. And for those of you who don't know what a Bitcoin Tumblr is, a Bitcoin Tumblr effectively anonymizes Bitcoin transfers between accounts. Because contrary to belief, Bitcoin transfers between accounts are not really as anonymous as people think, but this really anonymizes that whole process, and Bitpetite charge a fee on those transactions, and what they do with that fee is then reinvested or returned to the investors in this platform at around a fee of, I think it's about 4.5% currently. The daily interest rate's about 4.5%, depending on how much you loan, and they accept both, or actually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin at this point in time. Now I'm just going to go right ahead and say that I still think this is quite a risky investment. I think the company's only been around for about 94 days at the moment, so still pretty risky. I've had a look at a few YouTube videos out there. I've done a bit of research on the company. They are actually registered out in the United Kingdom. The director of the company is someone called Catherine Kells, that resides, or at least the company correspondence is at that address. So yeah, they are actually a registered company out of the UK, and as I said, but it's still quite risky. I think something that has only been trading for 94 days should be taken with some amount of caution. The other way in which you can earn money through this platform is through the affiliate program. So obviously, if you refer people to this platform, you then also receive a commission on that. So there's respective commission rates here for referring people to the platform. So there's multiple ways in which you can make money through the platform. I think, having a look at this platform compared to a few others out there, sort of Ponzi schemes and things that I've seen, this to me makes a little bit more sense, and I think purely because they do have this Bitcoin Tumblr service, so they do have multiple streams of income, and you can kind of see where they get the interest from to pay their people back. One thing I'd just like to point out here, I actually had a chat a bit earlier on with one of their support people, just to get a bit more information about how the money is invested and how it's sort of paid out over either the 6 or the 9 week period, and how this return rate is effective. So basically, when you invest money into the system or into this platform, you are effectively paid a dividend daily, or actually even hourly, really, and the amount that you invest is not like, for instance, BitConnect, where it's locked up for a certain amount of time and then you get your original seed money back, and you basically get your interest compounded daily. What basically happens here is that your full amount gets released daily or even hourly over the 6 week period. So your effective rate is really 47% on the 6 month period, and 80% on over the 6 weeks and 9 week period, not months, excuse me for that, and not really 147%, because you are getting a chunk of what your initial investment was back every single day. It's paid out every single day. So so that is a little bit misleading. I just wanted to clear that up if there was any confusion about that. So I think your effective rate is more like 47%, which, when you look at it, makes the whole thing a bit more understandable, the kind of interest rates or the rates that sort of sit behind it. So yeah, I mean, have a look at the platform. I think it's pretty good. I've already sort of signed up. I've got a brand new account with them, and what I'm going to do tonight is just to go through and actually invest some money with this platform. So I think what I'm going to do is well, I'm going to chuck. I'm quite a conservative guy, so I'm going to throw sort of 3 Litecoin at it at the moment over a 6-week period, and we're just going to see where that gets us to. But 3 Litecoins. My break-even point, as I said, well, looking at this, will be 28 of the 9th, 17th, so in a little bit less than a month from now. There we go. So my daily net income is going to be 0.135 Litecoin. So let's go ahead and do that and invest some money in this platform. As you can see, you can have at the top, there's a couple of things here. It's your total investment, total earned from your investment, and then total paid. I think the total paid will also include things like referral bonuses. So if you do refer people to this platform, which I will obviously do, so the link will be in the description, but I get the idea that your total amount is there, so it's investment plus plus affiliate money. So right, what I'm going to do at the moment is I'm going to stick 3 Litecoin into this account. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go over to my Coinbase account. I'm going to stick that in there, and I'm going to send the maximum amount of Litecoin to that account, which is 3.1 Litecoin. And I'm just going to put my confirmation in here. Okay, right. My Litecoin is gone. And hopefully this should be in the address soon. Right, I can see that my Litecoin has just come in. 3 Litecoin, 4.5%. So this is currently pending, and as soon as it clears, I should have that money in my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it here for a couple of days, maybe 3, maybe 5, something like that, and then I'm going to make a follow-up video just to show you guys what interest I've sort of gotten that period. As I said, I'm quite conservative at this point in time, so I'm really only sort of putting 3 Litecoin into it. And we'll see what it does and how solid this platform really is. As I said, I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube where people have been putting some money in over the last couple of months, and this platform has been paying out. People have been seeing returns on their investment, so it does seem to be like a pretty solid company at the moment. But as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. So just take everything that that I say, as that. But yeah, so guys, this is Bitpetite. Have a look for my follow-up video in a few days from now, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks very much for tuning in. As always, if you like the video, please like it down at the bottom. Will be some interesting links down in the description if you want to register for Bitpetite. Also, if you want to have a look at my other videos, that would be great. And as always, do subscribe. Thank you very much.